Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing well. It's your boy Sharon back with another video. And firstly, thank you very much for your support and thank you all who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, because your likes, comments and shares have really motivated me to creating content, and I'm really looking forward in creating content. I'm really looking forward to continue creating content where that really inspires and entertains you all. And thank you to my family, friends and subscribers and colleagues too who have been a part of this journey. And with that being said, if you're watching this video for the very first time, welcome to my channel where I create videos on lifestyle, music, cycling, photography, macro photography and possibly everything else in the coming days. And if that sounds good to you, consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell to receive more of my updates. And well, don't forget to share this video or this channel where we can meet, so where we can reach even more people together. And in the milestone of hitting 500 subs, I thought of unboxing a sneaker, and I was really confused which one that should be, because I bought the Jordan Low OG Mocha and the other one was a Nike SB Dunk, which I'm not going to tell the model. I really want you guys to stay till the end of the video. Got it. And if you're curious why I have the world map on the back, guess what? I want to rule the world. Jokes apart, I'm interested in learning social studies and geography and stuff. So possibly all the walls in my room specifically have some other geography. I mean like physical thing, physical India or world map kind of thing. So that's for the different video. So I want you guys to stay till the end of the video and do comment and subscribe and share the channel to others, and let's keep growing together. And let's dive into the unboxing stuff. Bye. Hopefully I'm thinking people are about to guess and confused whether is this Yuto Horigami sneaker or... Yeah, you have guessed it, that's Chameleon Wala from Alexis Sablone's designer sneaker. That is Nike SB Dunk Low Pro QS, oil green, desert moss, white, word petrol, mostly diesel desert. And I've been true to size, that is UK 9, US 10. I thought of taking you 9.5, but I wasn't lucky enough to find that size and I bought this from Nike.in, and they said that delivery partner was Aramex, and I was lucky the shoe got delivered. It's very quick. I ordered this on 17th of September and that is Tuesday, and today that is September 22nd, Sunday. These got delivered. These were very fast. I'm not sure how Nike.in has managed to deliver that fast. Look at the quality, guys. It's amazing. And on the tongue it has been written Nike SB Chameleon. The quality of the materials is superb. People, I want to talk about this particular sneaker in detail. I just want to show you, I just want to unbox the video. That's it in this particular video. Stay tuned for the full video in the coming days, possibly tomorrow or by the end of this week I'll be posting, because I have a bunch of videos as well. And at the bottom you get to see this. I think they should have given gum bottom. It would have been better. And yes, we got this Nike SB sticker. Close the bottle paper. Check out the left. You can see the materials, guys. I've seen the YouTubers, couple of YouTubers doing this. I'm not sure. This is weight for sure. The materials are so good. Nike SB Dunk, chameleon. Look at the materials. And there's a story for this particular sneaker, which I'm going to tell you in the detailed video. So until then, check out this video, do comment and subscribe, and let me know like how you guys are liking this particular sneaker on the occasion of hitting a milestone of 500 subs. Thank you guys, thank you for tuning in, have a good day.